The check engine light is on because your car's self-diagnostic system identified an issue maintaining an acceptable air-fuel mixture to burn in the engine. This type of fault is not likely to result in a breakdown that could leave you stranded. Please keep in mind that your car may be emitting harmful exhaust fumes and using excessive fuel while the check engine light remains on. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair. Your car's computer controls the air-fuel mixture being burned in the engine by adjusting the amount of fuel passing through the fuel injectors. When more fuel is needed to accelerate or climb a hill, the injectors are energized longer and more fuel enters the engine. The computer uses information from several sensors to precisely control the amount of fuel entering the engine. The mass airflow sensor signals the computer about how much air is entering the engine at any time. The computer uses this primary sensor along with other sensors that measure intake air temperature, engine temperature, and driver demand to calculate the proper amount of fuel to inject. An oxygen sensor is located in the engine exhaust to verify the air-fuel mixture was correct and properly burned. If the signal from the sensor indicates that too much fuel is being injected, the computer reduces fuel flow. In a similar manner, fuel flow can be increased by the computer as needed. Your car's self-diagnostic system continuously monitors the air-fuel ratio and the input sensors for correct operation within a defined range. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, your car's computer has detected an incorrect electrical signal from the intake air temperature sensor. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair.